Welcome back to my channel. Hello viewers, today I will show you how to find out your saved password from Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to run, then type here msquare.cpl and hit enter. Here is the Wi-Fi network card. Just right button click on it, then go to status, then go to wireless properties, then go to security, and here is your network security key. Just show character. Here you can see your SSID password. Second step is open Windows PowerShell, then copy this code from video description, then paste here, Ctrl V, then hit enter. Here will be appear your existing password, and here is the SSID password. That's it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.